Good morning students. Welcome to our computer class. In today's class we will discuss about StringTokenizer. What is that? StringTokenizer is nothing but a class which is used to point or refer a string, just like string class. But the advantage of StringTokenizer is that using StringTokenizer we can read the word one after another from first word till last word. And here words are called tokens. They are separated by space, which is default delimiter. But we can change this default delimiter to any string. To use StringTokenizer class in our program, we have to include that StringTokenizer class from util package. That means at the beginning of the program, you have to write import statement to include StringTokenizer class or the package util in our program. So let's see. Import java.util.StringTokenizer or start. This should be your first statement in your program. Now, how to create object of StringTokenizer class? In StringTokenizer, we have two constructors. One is single parameter constructor and another one is two parameters constructor. So, single parameter constructor take one string to pass, which will be referred or which will be pointed by StringTokenizer object. But we can pass two parameters also, where the first parameter will be the string to be pointed and second parameter will be another string which will be used as a delimiter to delimit the tokens. New StringTokenizer single parameterized constructor to pass the string to be pointed, and next StringTokenizer two parameterized constructor. So two parameterized constructor will take the first string to be pointed and second string will be the delimiter for the tokens. Okay. So any one we can use. We will use this one when we need space as default delimiter, but if we give any other delimiter other than space, we have to use this constructor to create object. Now I will explain the use of this StringTokenizer in program. This is first statement as I told in my program. Then we will start class. Then function. Suppose my function name is FUNC. I am not passing any parameter here. At first here I will create one object of scanner class. Scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in. Why? Because using this object, scanner class object, we will accept one string, multi-word string. Let's prompt user system.out.println. I am not writing system.out, only println. Enter a string. So here user will give one string, one sentence as input, which we can store in a string variable. And with that string value, we have to create object of StringTokenizer class. So instead of storing that input to a string variable, directly I will take the input in StringTokenizer constructor. StringTokenizer st equal to new StringTokenizer. Here sc dot next line for multi-word string. So what input we are taking here, the multi-word string, that will be taken as parameter for StringTokenizer constructor to create the object of this StringTokenizer. Now what I will do in this program, I will display each token in separate line. So for that we need to know how many tokens are there and we have to read out the tokens also. So two functions are there in StringTokenizer class, those are very useful. One is count tokens to count the number of tokens, and another one is next token to read the token from the current cursor position. So at first the cursor will wait at the beginning of the string. So that means first time next token will read the first token means first word. First word means from the first character till first delimiter, means if it is space till first place. Then next time when we will use next token function, it will read the next token. Next token means second token, which will start from after the first space till the second space. This way one after another it can read all the tokens. But you have to read the tokens in a loop. And how many times loop will execute? Token times. So how many tokens are there? That many times. So let me make one loop which will execute token times. Int I equal to 1 I less than st dot count tokens. This is the function which will return the total number of tokens present in the string. And here I plus plus. Now if I write here println st dot next token, it will read the word one after another. So very first time it will read the first token, it will display the token in one line. Then next time when you will execute, that time it will read the next token which will be displayed in the second line. Then third token in third line. That means each token will be displayed in separate line. Clear? So many string program we have done where we handle words. Now in this type of program we can use StringTokenizer also to get the words to be handled or to be manipulated in the program. Okay. Now we will do another program where we will ask user to give some comma separated numbers and we will make the average of all the numbers. So comma separated means here we will use comma as a delimiter. Println enter few numbers separated by comma. So I am asking few numbers separated by comma. So user will give comma separated numbers. StringTokenizer st equal to new StringTokenizer sc dot next line to read comma separated numbers and then in double quotes comma which will be the delimiter as a second parameter for this constructor. So this will create one object of StringTokenizer class where the first parameter is the user input and second parameter is the comma which will be the delimiter. Now you need one sum variable is equal to 0, may follow just like previous program, I equal to 1, I less than st dot count tokens. The loop will execute token times, then I plus plus. Here what to do is class equal to integer dot parsing st dot next token. So this next token will read token one after another. So here token means number, but that number will be used as string. It will be taken as string. So we need to convert that string to number to add it to the sum. So before adding it to the sum, we are converting the token which is string to a number. So this way here we are adding all the tokens to S. So S will get what? The sum of all the numbers, comma separated numbers. Now to find out the average, what to do after the loop? You have to divide this S by total number of tokens, means total number of number, which we can get using the st dot count tokens. St dot count tokens. Okay, and then at last you have to print it. Average equal to S. Okay. So this is the program. Here we are accepting few numbers and numbers will be separated by comma. Program will read the numbers as token. It will convert the tokens to a number. Then that number will be added to the sum. And at last we will find out the average to display. Now instead of taking direct input, we can store this input to an array also, integer array. You can declare one integer array with this many elements, token number of elements. Then we can store the tokens in integer form to all the elements of the array. Then we can manipulate that array. So I hope you understood how to use StringTokenizer in your program. So you practice few programs with StringTokenizer where to manipulate words. So best of luck. Today up to this much. See you in our next class. Till then, bye. Goodbye. Have a nice day.